Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing a Minicities video. As you guys can see, I've already somewhat started so you guys don't get bored to death. So let's get on it. Our goal is to rush down the American factory tree and make lots of money. But the thing is, our progress is being hindered by this thing. I don't know what's causing me to lose like almost half my income. I mean a third of my income. Still, it's really annoying. Maybe it's like the happiness. I'll put down one whole tree. 2 whole trees. Maybe a recreation area. What do you guys want? A playground? I'll give it a playground. Okay, you guys need 5 stone and 5. I mean, yeah, 2 wood. Let's see, is that lowering our expenses? No, it is not. Maybe it needs to get built first. Nope. Happiness does not correlate to the tech, expensive tech. Sadly. I guess we're just gonna be losing a third of our income for no reason. Anyways, we'll just keep getting bricks because we're gonna need that. Where's the large American factories? Yeah, we need a ton to unlock that. So I guess let's get it working. I also want the suburban homes because it's really annoying. I mean the suburban offices because it's really annoying to like resupply these manually. We need more people. We also need some plank production, so I'll unlock this. So I'll have to do it manually. That is going to be really useful. Gonna take that. Alright, now we can start rolling ball. First medium American shop is going down. I'll just place on 2 of them right now. Oh no, that's bad. Get back to selling stuff. More bricks. Our city is more American than American cities. Look at this grid. Not even a grid, just one straight line with endless road. Oh, we need more population. Alright, we finally have steel. Let's see what we can do with steel. Ah yes, this. This is what we needed. So unlock that. I should also unlock these. I'd say this is the only time where the modern stuff is bad. The lockbank is the best one. Honestly, should get more of those ore drills because the process is painfully slow. Oh yeah, I probably should get these factories running. Yes. Still another one of the factories. Can we finally get the big tower? Oh my god, we get the big tower. Yes. That's all we need for this last certified breakthrough concrete. It's not overly expensive, but still a lot. Can we shove this in here? Oh my god, we shoved it in there. I'll just manually do it slowly. Leave the concrete in there. So 12 and 12. I'll let both of them reach 15, then I'm going to start doing it. Alright, they're both at 15. Time to send the concrete. Wait, what? Where did I send them to? Oh. Oh no. It did get sent there. I'm just dumb. Now with our first tower, we can finally leave in peace. In next video, this city will be expanded even larger. We're gonna be 3D printing this city. Just look at it. We started from this and this, and went to that, and went to all this in the matter of like 1 or 2 hours. Quite the amazing feat. Yep, this will end today's video. Thank you guys for sticking around, and goodbye. Goodbye.